On your special day we gather round to celebrate the joy you found. Another year of life, love and light. May it shine brighter with each passing night. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Wishing you many fruitful years ahead, more blessings this year. May your dreams and hopes take flight. May your heart be filled with delight. May your path be guided by love and care, and your spirit soar with joy beyond compare. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Wishing you many fruitful years ahead, more blessings this year.
Bing! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! Enjoy your celebration with your family. Wishing you good health and more blessings pa. Okay? Enjoy! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! God bless! Kunin mo yung kuwanin, dikit mo dyan, oh.
Hello, Bing! Surprise! Happy birthday! I am grateful to God na nakaabot ka ng 50 despite sa dami ng mga car accidents mo dyan sa UK. Parang kailan lang mga struggles natin sa studies, mga gala, mga simpleng group studies, tapos kain ng chichirya. Chichirya lang pagkain natin noon, wala pa tayong pambili ng bonggang-bonggang foods. Para ma-survive natin ang OT, yung pag-aasawa mo ng maaga, pagsama kay Kenneth sa school. Ngayon, heto na tayo at our golden years. Ikaw nandyan ka na sa position mo right now, and congratulations. I know na at 50 naabot mo na yung mga pangarap mo, ang mga gusto mong maabot sa buhay, yung career mo, and the kids, career mo as OT, and the kids are also making their own way to success. Happy birthday and welcome to golden years. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bing!
Happy birthday, Bing!
Tunay na napakabuti na Lord sa buhay mo. Patuloy kang ingatan at provide lahat ng mga pangangailangan nyo. Layo sa sakit at karamdaman. At basahin ko lang sa iyo ang number 624. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. Salamat sa buhay mo. Ikaw ang ginagamit ni Lord sa mga pagkakataon na may mga problema ako at saka may mga pangailangan. Tunay na nandyan ka lagi para sa akin. Salamat sa tulong mo sa akin at sa aking pamilya. Hopefully magkita tayo soon. Di man sa Pilipinas, dito na lang. I hope you enjoy your vacation as well with your family. Doon na tayo magpapasko, which is maganda, diba? Happy birthday. Patuloy kang ingatan ni Lord at kung ano man mga deepest desire mo, deepest wishes mo, Lord, ay pag-pray natin na lahat yan mangyari. At lalo na sa pamilya mo, patuloy silang ingatan at pagpalain. Happy birthday. Thank you. God bless you.
Jingle bells, Batman spells. Happy birthday, Ninang Bing. Happy It's a me, Rome Ronjo Sauce, and Ronjo Sauce is me, have to wish you a happy birthday. April Winnie!
Yana Reeves here. Here it's your birthday. Happy birthday.